Hey guys, what's up? My name's Garrett, and today I'll be teaching you how to set the permissions in order to read and write to files using PHP. Alright, so I made a simple program, and what it does is after you hit login, it will take you to the next page, and it will attempt to append data to a text file. And this is the text file I have, so all it does is append my first name and the current date. So that's all it does. But in order to do this, you need to have the right permissions set. And if you don't, then you'll probably be encountering this problem right here. So it says, warning, failed to open stream, permission denied. So if you have a problem with reading and writing to files and it comes up with something like permission denied, then this is probably the problem you're having. But it's a very easy fix. All you have to do is find where you're keeping your files at. And mine are in my examp folder, all of my PHP files, that is. So just go to that. I already have it pulled up. When you find it, all you have to do is right-click on it and hit Get Info, and it'll bring up this screen that you see on the left. Anyway, at the very bottom, this is where you're going to look at. So you see it says System, Read and Write, Admin, Read and Write, and everyone is set to read only. So when I first started learning about files and reading and writing to them, I looked at the permissions because I knew that if I didn't have the right permissions, it wasn't going to let me. So I looked, and I saw that admin was set to read and write, and I thought, well, I'm the admin, so I should be able to do this no problem. Well, anyway, that wasn't the case. I got this warning that you see right here, but it's a really easy fix. All you have to do is change everyone to read and write. So just go down here, click the lock to unlock it, and then just click on it, read and write. And before you lock it back, here's the catch. You're going to go down here to the little wheel and then hit Apply to Enclosed Items. Basically what this does is it changes all the permissions for your subfolders to read and write, which we'll need. So before you lock it back, make sure you do that. So lock, and then if I reload this page, it should work. It should output the date. Yes, so it did work. That was the problem. So output the date. Now let's make sure it actually appended it to the log. So here's my log. Just reload this, and as you can see, it did append it to the log. So really easy fix, but if it's your first time working with files, you might have that problem. But yeah, very easy. Just the more you know, I guess. And anyway, just to show you how I kind of did the file, I just set my name to Garrett, first name. And then this /t is actually a tab, so it'll tab over, it won't go to a new line. And then I append the current date to it, and then I'll put new line. That way, every time someone hits login, it will append their data to a new line, so it looks nice and neat. And the date's really easy. You just use the date function. There's a lot of different stuff you can put in these parentheses depending on how you want it to look. If you do it like this, it will look like this right here. But you can do it different ways too, and it will show it in like a different format. Anyway, the first time I did that, it showed a different time. And if it does that to you, then you'll have to do this step right here, which is setting the time zone. So you may or may not have to do that. if the date's right when you run the program, then you won't have to use this. But if it's wrong, then you'll have to set the time zone. But yeah, that's about it. Just make sure you put an A right here for append, so it doesn't write over it. And yeah, it's pretty simple. And yeah, I think that's it. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Maybe.